Do you want to give your portraits a realistic and unique look? Try using text as skin textures. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom skin texture from any text and then apply it to your portraits in a non-destructive way. Let me show you exactly how to achieve that effect. To create this effect, we are going to select the pen tool and we are going to make a selection of the skin areas of our subject. So I'm just going to select like this. Okay, once that selection is done, I just need to select my text tool. Once the text tool is selected, I'll reduce my font size to 9 points and I change my color here to white, and I just click within the selection which I created, and random text is being added into the shape. So I'm just going to Control C to select the random text, and I keep pasting. Next, I'll select the other skin areas too, and I apply the same effects. So I'll just select here, text tool, and I paste it like that, and I select this other part. After I've made the selection, I just use my text tool to fill it up. So once that is filled, I'll just select these 3 text layers which we've created, create a group for them, and then I'll go to the blending options by double clicking on this, and in these blending options I'll break this slider into 2 and take this to the right. Hold Alt or options to break it into 2, and then I separate it like this. Take this bit behind to where I think the effect is. Okay, so at this point we are good. The next thing you may want to do is just to soften the edges a little. So for that, I'm just going to create a mask on this layer, and I use a soft brush and my foreground color, switch it to black, and I just paint around these edges like this, just to blend the text in a little more with the body. So I'll just reduce this and correct this area like this. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, do well to support me by liking it and subscribe to my channel for the next videos that I'm going to be releasing. Thank you for watching.